It's Wednesday, the start of the weeklies. I hope they're games that I like to play, please. There must be 4 types of bingo between you and me. I prefer Slingo. I always lose at Monopoly slots. You can rank up fast in Keno Pop. I've got insomnia, but I don't care. I guess the words to feed that bear. I'm moving on to Hangman Hijinks. Guess the letters, but I start to think, why do they mix balloons and a cactus? I should sue Spike for malpractice. There's poker, you can bet your tokens in Texas Hold'em. I go all in, there's lots of hidden search. Thanks for making them full screen. I was going berserk, it's Tuesday. Let the mad dash begin to get those weeklies in my badge album. It's P-O-G-O. I play all day. Just so you know, it's P-O-G-O. I play at work, but my boss says no.